Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Drive. In today's video, I will be telling you about 18 cars that you should avoid. So let's get started with today's video. Now let's talk about 18 cars to avoid due to their poor engine quality. When it comes to buying a car, engine quality is one of the most critical factors to consider, as a poor engine can lead to frequent breakdowns, expensive repairs, and a lot of frustration. Here's a rundown of 18 cars from around the world that consumers claim should be avoided due to poor engine quality. Number 1. Chevrolet Cruze. According to Forbes, the Chevrolet Cruze has had reports of engine fires and has gained a reputation for having general engine troubles, especially in models produced from 2011 to 2015. Owners have reported issues with the turbocharged engines, including unexpected power loss, oil leaks, and coolant leaks that can lead to overheating. Number 2. Mini Cooper. They may look stylish and offer a fun driving experience, but a Mini Cooper's engine can be problematic. The first generation of turbocharged engines, particularly in models from 2007 to 2011, is notorious for timing chain issues. If the timing chain fails, it can cause severe engine damage, resulting in costly repairs or even engine replacement. Number 3. Dodge Journey. The Dodge Journey is another vehicle with engine reliability issues. Owners have reported problems with the 2.4-liter engine, including stalling, rough idling, and frequent oil leaks. These issues can significantly impact the vehicle's longevity and drivability. This problem is particularly prevalent in models from 2009 to 2015. Number 4. BMW X5. Known for its luxury and performance, the BMW X5 has had recurring engine issues. The N63 twin-turbo V8 engine is notorious for excessive oil consumption and frequent breakdowns. Repairing these high-performance engines can be very costly, making the X5 a risky purchase. Number 5. Ford Focus. The Ford Focus has had its share of engine issues, especially with the models produced between 2012 and 2016. The 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine, while praised for its fuel efficiency, has been known to suffer from coolant system failures, which can lead to engine overheating and, in some cases, complete engine failure. Number 6. Volkswagen Jetta. Volkswagen Jetta models from the early 2010s have faced numerous engine complaints. The 2.0-liter TDI diesel engine is prone to turbocharger failures and excessive oil consumption, which not only reduce the car's performance, but also lead to expensive repair bills. Number 7. Fiat 500. Fiat 500 models have also been reported to have engine reliability issues. The 1.4-liter multi-air engine is known for problems with the valve control system, which can lead to engine stalling and poor performance. These issues often require extensive and expensive repairs. Number 8. Nissan Altima. Facing criticism for its engine performance, the Nissan Altima, particularly models from 2013 to 2015, has a 2.5-liter engine known for excessive oil consumption. There are also issues with the variable timing control system, which can lead to engine failure if not addressed promptly. Number 9. Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata has been reported to have significant engine issues. The 2.4-liter and 2.0-liter turbo engines have been known to suffer from bearing failures, which can lead to engine seizures. Engine replacements are often required to fix these issues, which can be very expensive. Number 10. Kia Optima. Sharing many of the same engine issues as the Hyundai Sonata, the Kia Optima from 2011 to 2014 had engines prone to bearing failures and excessive oil consumption. Engine seizures are common and require costly repairs or replacements. Number 11. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has been plagued with engine issues. The 3.6-liter V6 engine has had problems with the cylinder head, leading to misfires and poor performance. Repairing or replacing the cylinder head can be expensive and time-consuming. Number 12. Chevrolet Equinox. Numerous engine complaints have been received for the Chevrolet Equinox, especially those built between 2010 and 2017. The 2.4-liter engine is known for excessive oil consumption and timing chain issues. These problems can lead to engine damage and costly repairs, making the Equinox a less reliable choice. Number 13. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is another model that has received many engine complaints. Its 2.5-liter engine is known for excessive oil consumption and head gasket failures, which can lead to significant engine damage if not addressed promptly, and they are never cheap to repair. Number 14. Chrysler 200. The 2.4-liter engine on the Chrysler 200 is known for stalling and excessive oil consumption, leading to engine failure and often requiring extensive time in the garage. This problem is particularly prevalent with the 2011 to 2014 models. Number 15. Audi A4. An otherwise popular car, the Audi A4 has been reported to have engine reliability issues too, owing to the 2.0-liter TFSI engine that commonly has excessive oil consumption and timing chain failures. This leads to significant engine damage, so you'll need to be prepared for this. Number 16. Dodge Dart. The Dodge Dart's 2.0-liter and 2.4-liter engines are known for stalling and excessive oil consumption. These issues can result in engine failure and often require extensive repairs, which is not what you want from a vehicle you need to depend on. Number 17. GMC Terrains from 2010 to 2017 share many of the same engine issues as the Chevrolet Equinox mentioned previously on this list. The 2.4-liter engine has a reputation for excessive oil consumption as well as issues with the timing chain. Number 18. Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Finally, our last car to avoid due to poor engine quality is the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, especially those made from 2008 to 2010. The 1.8-liter and 3.5-liter engines are prone to balance shaft and timing chain failures, which will inevitably result in costly repairs. So friends, these were the 18 cars that you should avoid. How did you like this video? Let us know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to our channel, Mr. Drive. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching.